Hi guys, Paul Pluter on the Archie Luxury corporate channel. Today guys, I want to tell you something horrid that has happened in the Australian Rolex marketplace. I've got secret spotters who are in cohorts with dealers, and this is just hot off the press there. Hot off the press. Rolex Australia has started to take the warranty cards for a year. So basically you buy a Rolex from a AD in Australia, they will keep the warranty card, the credit type card that comes with the watch, for a year. And now they're doing this to stop flipping. Now I asked him if I could name the dealer in Australia, and he said no. He said don't name it, but it's a large Australian Rolex dealer. This is how he found this out, and he was told. I tried to get more information on this, and basically what has told me, he said it's probably not for known customers. If you are a good customer with the AD, they will possibly give you the warranty card. So basically they're not throwing it away or cutting it up. They're sending it to you a year after purchase, okay? Which is, they're trying to stop speculators, okay? He said to me, it appears that it's only for walk-in off the street. Not sure about if they're doing it for established customers. Not sure about that at all. But he did say to me, this is what is happening. Interesting. I wanted to ask him, is this happening for only sports? Only sports or everything. So that's the interesting thing there. I don't know if they would do it on, say, Datejust, because is there much speculation if you buy a Datejust 41? Can you resell it easily if you're buying it at retail? I don't know if you can even resell it and make a profit. I'm not sure of that there, but it has been conveyed to me, this is the way that Rolex is trying to control the secondary market. They're trying to control flippers. They are trying to control people who buy the Rolex purely for speculation. And it's interestingly enough is that the papers themselves there, so they're basically holding back the papers. I don't know why you couldn't have an agreement if you bought it from someone, say, look, the papers will be coming in a year's time. I'll definitely get them to you. So we'll wait and see how that plays out. But papers are making a big difference in the value to Rolex. For example, a couple of years ago, I bought my Rolex Explorer 2. This came from a Melbourne dealer, and it was about 5,000 Australian dollars. It's a 2004 F serial number, no holes case, solid end link. It's Luminova dial, and I paid 5,000. It had no box or papers. I've managed to get the correct period box for it quite easily through my contacts, but the fact it didn't have papers, that was probably $200, $250 price difference if I wanted one with papers. Now papers is actually making about $1,000 difference. $1,000. Well, somewhere between $500 and $1,000 depending on the Rolex. The Explorer 2, it's about $500 discount if it doesn't have papers, but for Kermits, it can make a big difference, because it's very hard to substantiate. Is that a real Kermit or an Alibaba add-on? So it's a very tricky thing there. So Daytonas, it makes a big difference if you don't have papers with it. So that is the latest and greatest. Rolex to try and stamp out Rolex speculation by holding back the papers, the warranty card, for a 12-month period. So it's interesting. Rolex is concerned with the secondary market. So there you go. That is the latest. Names have been omitted to protect the guilty. I'm Paul Pluter. This is the ArchieLuxury corporate channel. Keep watching.